Meet Favour Ogbuokiri, the youngest Igbo model representing Nigeria at Mr. Global 2024. At just 23 years old, Favour is already making waves in the modeling world and now is on the brink of representing Nigeria on the international stage at the prestigious Mr. Global 2024 competition in Thailand. This young and dynamic Igbo model fitness coach and actor, has captured the hearts of many with his passion for self-improvement, his entrepreneurial spirit, and his dedication to empowering the youth. As he embarks on this incredible journey, Favour Ogbuokiri stands as a shining example of what young Nigerians, especially from the southeast, can achieve when they combine passion, hard work, and determination. This is the Boy People TV. Favour, a graduate of public administration from the University of Nigeria Nsukka, UNN, is no stranger to success. During his time at UNN, he wasn't just a student, he was also crowned Mr. UNN 2023, a title that opened doors for him to pursue his passion for modeling and acting. His university years were instrumental in shaping the man he is today, as it was there that he realized the importance of following his dreams, no matter the odds. Favour's experience interacting with fellow students and his exposure to the challenges young people face inspired him to create a powerful advocacy project, the Dream Dare Do initiative. This program is dedicated to encouraging young people to dream big, dare to pursue their aspirations, and do whatever it takes to achieve their goals, regardless of the obstacles in their path. Through this platform, Favour has been able to motivate and inspire numerous individuals, reinforcing his belief that one's background or circumstances should never define their future. Favour's rise in the modeling industry wasn't just by chance, it was a result of years of dedication, honing his crafts, and building a strong personal brand. As a model, fitness coach, and writer, he has shown versatility that is rare to find. His good looks and strong physique, combined with his passion for fitness, have earned him a reputation as a top fitness coach where he helps others achieve their health and wellness goals. His work ethic and determination are second to none, and his modeling portfolio reflects that. Being crowned Mr. Global Nigeria 2024 is no small feat. This prestigious title has positioned Favour to represent not just his state or his Igbo heritage, but the entire nation of Nigeria at one of the biggest international male beauty pageants in the world, Mr. Global. The Mr. Global competition is one of the world's most renowned international male pageants, showcasing men from around the globe who represent the very best in terms of style, physique, and intelligence. The competition isn't just about good looks, it focuses on selecting men who have a clear vision for their future and a passion for making a difference in the world. This is why Favour Ogbuokiri's participation is significant. He's not only a model but also an advocate for youth empowerment, and his presence on the international stage will undoubtedly be a source of pride for Nigerians everywhere. The 2024 Mr. Global competition will kick off on the 24th of September, culminating in a grand finale in Bangkok on the 6th of October. The competition will see contestants from numerous countries competing in various categories, including interviews, fitness challenges, and runway walks, all aimed at showcasing their versatility, intelligence, and charisma. In preparation for Mr. Global, Favour has poured his heart and soul into making sure he's in the best possible form, both mentally and physically. From intense fitness regimens to mastering his walk on the runway, he's been checking every box necessary to compete at the highest level. His dedication to his craft is truly inspiring, and everyone at Boy People TV is confident that he will do his absolute best to make Nigeria proud on this global stage. What makes Favour stand out from other participants is not just his impressive physical attributes, but also his incredible drive and passion for inspiring others. As someone who has already achieved so much at such a young age, Favour serves as a role model to countless young Nigerians who aspire to make something of themselves. His message is clear: dream big, work hard, and believe in yourself. Favour's journey to Mr. Global 2024 is about more than just a beauty pageant. It's about representing Nigeria and more specifically the Igbo community on a global stage. His participation showcases the rich and diverse talent that exists within Nigeria's youth, and his success would be a powerful statement that Nigerian and Igbo models can excel on the world stage. In a world where representation matters, Favour Ogbuokiri is a beacon of hope for many young people who dream of following in his footsteps. His story is proof that with determination, hard work, and a passion for what you do, everything is possible. As Favour Ogbuokiri embarks on this journey, the excitement back home in Nigeria, particularly among the Igbo community, is palpable. Social media platforms are buzzing with messages of support and well wishes for the young model. His fans, family, and friends are rallying behind him, knowing fully well that his participation in Mr. Global is a proud moment for Nigeria. At Ebony People TV, we share in this excitement. We've been following Favour's journey closely, and we can't wait to see him shine on the international stage. We believe that he has what it takes to bring the title home, and we'll be keeping a close eye on his progress throughout the competition. So what's next? As we await the start of Mr. Global 2024, we encourage our viewers to show their support for Favour Ogbuokiri. Do you think Favour has what it takes to bring the title home? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like for more great content like this one. Your support means the world to us. And also, if you've got a birthday coming up soon, DM us with your picture 2 days before and we'll give you a special shout out on the channel. And kindly send that to the number now showing on your screens. Are you also planning any kind of event, whether it's a wedding, burial, anniversary, or festival? Reach out to us for coverage. We offer top-notch services both within and outside Ebonyi State. Our team at Ebonyi People TV are always ready to give you nothing but the best.